everyone, welcome back for another Harley Quinn cosplay tutorial video. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about base pieces of her costume, so that's not going to be including the wig, tattoos, makeup, or caution tape jacket because I've actually made separate videos for all of those, which you can see on my channel. I'm going to link them in the description below or somewhere on this screen. So starting with the neon sports bra, she's actually wearing a bodysuit in the movie, but since I was doing the confetti caution tape jacket outfit, you don't actually see them because the bottom part is hidden under the shorts she's wearing. I just created the top part and then still included these little clips here. I took a safety pin and then I pinned it on the inside of the shorts during my photo shoot, and I had no issues with it at all. So I'll show you guys how I made this. So instead of using a pattern, I just traced the shape of a sports bra that's kind of already the shape that I'm looking for. First, I'm cutting the modified sports bra pattern out of the pink velvet fabric. I'm then cutting the same shape out onto my pink lining fabric. The two pieces pinned, I'm sewing them together using a stretch stitch. With the rest of the top sewn together, I'm adding the clips to the end. So next we're going to talk about how I made Harley Quinn's shorts. So basically, they look like this. So what I did for these was I just took a random pair of high-waisted denim shorts that I already had in my closet that weren't getting a ton of use. I think these were the easiest piece to make as part of the costume because all I had to do was get fabric paint and then this satin ribbon to glue on with a combination of fabric glue and super glue. So cute how I did that. Since Harley's shorts are more distressed in the front than this pair, I'm cutting a hole and pulling out excess thread with a pair of tweezers. Cutting each piece of ribbon about a ½ inch apart and cutting it the length of the shorts. With all the ribbon in place, I'm ready to draw on the stars. Using a neon red crimson fabric paint, I'm painting over each star that I drew with 2 coats. So next, suspenders. So Harley's suspenders in the movie are kind of this like neon red, not quite an orange color, although in the pictures that I took they did come out looking orange, so that was kind of annoying since I specifically bought these to be the exact color. I bought these child size suspenders that came individually like these. So this is 2 packs combined together. I cut them into different pieces, and then I got these swivel hooks from Joann Fabrics. Not too expensive. And then I just combined them. This is kind of a crappy job back here. I know hers in the movie is silver, but I was kind of pressed for time since I put an unnecessary deadline on this cosplay. With the original ends of the suspenders cut off, I'm placing 2 through the end of a swivel hook. For the back, I combined 2 pieces from the original suspender sets to hold everything into place. But yeah, so that's how I made the suspenders. And then the absolute easiest part of this cosplay was the socks because I did not make them. I bought these from Hot Topic. They were actually 50% off when I bought them, so they were only $7, which was awesome. And so for $7, these look pretty good. All right, and then next we've got the shoes. So in the movie, Harley is wearing some very expensive, I think they're like $300 boots. Well, obviously that was out of my price range. I think I did the entire costume for around $300. So what I did was I scoured the internet and Poshmark for just mesh booties. I'll link the original shoes that I ended up using and modified, and you guys will see how I did that. So I started with this pair of black mesh booties that I used white fabric paint to turn into the white boots that Harley's wearing. With the paint dry, I started to add the Adidas looking ribbon pieces to the side with super glue. And with the boots done, we're all finished with the base pieces of her outfit. Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching my video.